सुप्रभातं छात्राः। अष्टमः पाठः त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः. In this lesson we are learning about our national flag. Our national flag has three colors: orange on the top, white in the middle and green in the bottom. And what do those three colors resembles, and other important points about these colors we learnt in the previous classes. Let us learn some more important points about our national flag today. तेजिन्दरः शुचे ध्वजस्य मध्ये एकं नीलवर्णं चक्रं वर्तते. तेजिन्दरः शुचे ध्वजस्य मध्ये एकं नीलवर्णं चक्रं वर्तते. So that time Tejinder got doubt that शुचे ध्वजस्य मध्ये एकं नीलवर्णं चक्रं वर्तते. In the middle of the flag there is one blue wheel. What about that? ध्वजस्य मध्ये means in the middle of the flag. नीलवर्णं blue colored chakram wheels. Like this there is one wheel also in our flag. What about that? What are the specialities of that wheel? Tejinder Shuche, in the center of flag there is one blue wheel. What is that? Dvajasya of flag madhye, in the center, ekam one, neelavarnam blue, chakram wheel. आमाम् इदम् अशोकचक्रं कथ्यते. एतत् प्रगतेः न्यायस्य च प्रवर्तकम्. शुचिः आम् आम् इदम् अशोकचक्रं कथ्यते. एतत् प्रगतेः न्यायस्य च प्रवर्तकम्. Yes, Shuchi says, yeah, आमाम्, yes, yes. इदम् अशोकचक्रं कथ्यते. This is called as अशोकचक्र. एतत् प्रगतेः न्यायस्य च प्रवर्तकम्. This symbolizes प्रगतिः. प्रगतिः means development. And न्याय, न्यायः means justice. So this is the symbol of development and justice of our country. So through this wheel we resemble that our country is developing and there is justice for each and everyone in the society. Shuchi, yes, yes, this is called as Ashok Chakra. This is symbol of development and justice. Yes, idam, this, Ashoka Chakra, katyate, called, etat, this, pragatehe, of development, nyayasya, of justice, pravartakam, symbol. सारनाथे अशोकस्तंभः अस्ति. तस्मात् एव एतत् गृहीतम्. A great king called Ashoka ruled over India in ancient time. He was very cruel in the beginning and at the end he understood his mistakes and he became very great and kind king after Kalinga war. So once he changed his mind, he made many pillars and wrote many good messages in those pillars, etc. So in Saranath, one place called Saranath, also he built one Ashok's pillar. There is in that pillar this wheel is sculptured. So tasmat eva etat grihitam. This picture or this wheel is taken from the Ashoka pillar which is situated in Saranath. There is Ashok pillar in Saranath. This wheel is taken from that pillar. In a place called Saranath, Ashoka Stambha, Ashoka pillar, Tasmat, therefore, eva, only, etat, this, grihitam, taken. So children, we learnt few more important points of flag and wheel situated in the center of the flag today. Let us learn conclusion part of the lesson tomorrow. Thank you, children. Please learn translation and reading part thoroughly.